Okay. Now here, property of random number. Random number malum, random number is any number in sequence. Let's say 2, 5, 10, 15, 35, 40, 40, any number in random order. Okay, it is known as random number. So the definition is a sequence of random number R wahid R itnain. R wahid any random number wahid, R itnain random number itnain must have two important statistical property. Itnain property. Number one is uniformity and number two is independence. So these are the two important property. These are the two important property. Okay. So we can say that fx equal to sigma 1 to 0, 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1 or 0 otherwise. So this is the kanun for uniformity. The formula for uniformity. This is the definition. Okay, so the meaning is the random number has its main statistical property. Number one is uniformity, number two is independence, and this is the kanun yani formula for uniformity. Okay, girls, understand this? Any problem? Anything? You can ask me. Fast. Tell me anything, girls. Okay, next. Generation of pseudo random number. Pseudo random number. What is pseudo? Pseudo yani false. False random number. So pseudo meanings false random number. So meaning is you will generate false random number. Okay, that's why pseudo random number. Mumkin must ask question. Dash means false, so that false random number has been generated. So you will select pseudo. 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 Okay. Next. These are the how you will generate the random number. Number one is you have to generate it. Number must not be uniform. Yani the number which you will generate does not to be uniform. Number two, the generated number may be discrete value. Discrete value yani let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yani hada continuous. Other continuous. This continuous माफी लाजिम discrete. Discrete यानी let's say वाहिद बादिन अशरा बादिन इतने 9 then 5 like this. So this is known as discrete. Okay, this is known as discrete. Next is the mean of generated mean. मालूम mean यानी let's say there is वाहिद number A, वाहिद number B, वाहिद number C. तलाता number यानी divide by तलाता. So what is the mean value? Let's say mean value is X. So this X माफी लाजिम high, माफी लाजिम low. यानी in between high and low. Okay. So माफी too high, माफी too low. The variance of generated number may be too high and variance lazim yani difference. Variance yani 1 ashra khamsa itnain. Hina kam difference 9. Hina kam difference khamsa. Hina kam difference talata. So this is known as variance. Okay, so this is known as variance. Comes up and delete. So you have arba point. Point number 1, the kullu random number mafi lazim uniform. Number 2, generated number may be discrete value, yani mafi continuous, lazim discrete value. Point number 3, the mean of the number mafi high, mafi low. Here you can see mafi high, mafi low. Number 4, the variance. This is the variance. Variance lazim high and difference lazim high. Okay, so these are the point. Now this. Okay, girls, up to here, girls, understand? Anyone, any questions? She can ask me. Okay, because from Hina, very important question is start. From here, very important question start. Okay. Now remember this. This is linear congruential method. Same question. Assignment इतने मौजूद. Same question on linear congruential method is available on the assignment. Okay. This is the formula. I will write same formula here. xi plus 1 equal to axi plus c by then mod m. Okay, so this is the formula. Let's say I यानी एश मुमकिन 0, मुमकिन वाहिद, मुमकिन इत्नेन, मुमकिन तलाता, रो up to n. Now what is a? A यानी एश, a यानी constant multiplier. C यानी एश, C यानी इंक्रीमेंट. M यानी एश, M यानी मॉडुलस. Okay, this xi यानी एश, xi यानी other name as EE. So these are the technical term. Same available in x0 यानी seed, C यानी incremental, M यानी modulus. Now if this mumkin mass question, if C less than equal to 0, then it is called as mixed congruential. If C is equal to 0, then it is multiplicative congruential. So these two terms you will remember. Mumkin mass question. C less than equal to H. Yani what you will select? You will select the mixed congruential. If I will look to C equal to 0, yani you will select multiplicative congruential. So these are the two important things. C less than equal to 0, multiplicative and mixed. Up to now, girls, understand or no? This Kanun, how question on this Kanun? Okay, or mumkin question, explain this and uktub Kanun. So you will uktub this Kanun and you will write down A yani ash, A yani constant multiplier, C yani ash, C yani incremental, M yani modulus, I yani ash 0, 1, 2 mumkin, X I yani ash other seed. So like this you will write. Okay, now next topic, or understand or no? Tell me. Okay. Now from here, very important question. Every student will show how the procedure, but then I will ask if any question, then you will ask. Okay. This is the question. 8.1. Or directly I will take blank question. Okay, like this question in exam. Okay. given the value and you have to apply this linear concurrential method, and this table you have to fill this table. So step number 1, step 1 to formula यानी है xi plus 1 equal to axi plus c mod m. Up to here any problem? This formula same कर देंगे. Fast girls, if anything Uktub is Mafi, send okay, because this question is not big. Huh? This is step number 1, understand or no? Girls, hello, sleeping? Huh? Okay. Now, step number 2. In step number 2, what you will do? Step 2. Uktub hina 0, hina Uktub 1, hina Uktub 2, hina Uktub 3. One. Okay. Zero यानी x0 r 0. वाहिद यानी x वाहिद r वाहिद. इथनेन यानी x इथनेन r इथनेन. तलाता यानी x तलाता r तलाता. Understand? Okay. Next, x0. x0 यानी उक्त फॉर्मूला. If you look to hina, let's say x0. Now shuf in the question x0 value मौजूद. x0 value come. Tell me. 5. Okay. Now we have to calculate R0. R0 also कानून मौजूद. R0 यानी x0 by m. तो बिना I forget this. R0 कानून यानी x0 by m. So here x0 come. Tell me. x0 5. And what is the value of m? What is the value of m in the question? Yes, very good. 10. So यानी कम आंसर हादा 0.5. उक्तु भिना. I यानी अव्वल सिफर 1, 2, 3, 4. So वाही सिफर यानी हादा x सिफर कम हिना कमसा. R सिफर कम हिना 0.5. This understand or no? Okay. Now number 1. We will go with number 1. Now number 1. Here you will अव्वल उक्तूब this formula. x1 यानी a x I plus c mod m. So a यानी कम. Tell me, girls. A यानी कम. In question मौजूद a यानी 8 multiply by, yes, very good, a यानी 8 xi. Now हिना xi यानी शुफ हिना वाहिद. So हिना नगीस यानी हिना लाजिम x सिफर. यानी if you are calculating x वाहिद then x सिफर, if you are calculating x2 यानी हिना लाजिम x1, if you are calculating x3 हिना लाजिम x2 यानी 1 negative. Okay, so here 5 plus c come c यानी 11. Okay, बादेन mod come mod Ashraf. When this problem finish, I will tell Wahid girl to explain in Arabic. Okay, the girl who will explain Arabic, I will give marks. Okay, now after this 8 multiply by khamsa yani the 8 5 is 40, 40 plus 11 yani 51, 51 mod Ashraf yani come. Okay, I will calculate. For example, Ashra 100 mod Ashra come 55 mod Ashra 675 mod 100 87 mod Ashra 888 mod 100. Now how to calculate 100 mod Ashra यानी हिना सिफर वाहिद यानी आखिर डिजिट यानी कम mod सिफर. हिना शुफ mod 10, 10 यानी वाहिद, वाहिद यानी कम आंसर खमसा. हिना कम 100, 100 यानी इतने डिजिट यानी आंसर कम 75. हिना शुफ mod 10, 10 यानी वाहिद डिजिट यानी आंसर कम. हिना mod 100 यानी इतने डिजिट आंसर कम. Understand or no? Okay, because this is very important thing. Lazim understand how to calculate mod. Mod यानी if ashra आखिर digit answer, if 100 आखिर इतने digit answer, if 1000 आखिर तलाता digit answer. Okay, so we are here. So hina come 51 mod ashra come. यानी 1 because हिना अशरा यानी वाहिद डिजिट यानी हदा आखिर आंसर 1. ओके, नाउ r1 यानी कम, r1 यानी x वाहिद डिवाइडेड बाय n, x वाहिद कम, x वाहिद यानी हदा कम 1 डिवाइडेड बाय m यानी अशरा. yes, so hada 0.1. so uktub hina 1 hina 0.1. Understand or no all girls? Okay, now x इतनेन अव्वल उक्तु फॉर्मूला a हिना कम उक्तु x वाहिद वल्ला इतनेन वल्ला सिफर x. tell me हिना x1 यानी हिना इतनेन हिना वाहिद नग्गिस, हिना वाहिद हिना लाजिम सिफर mod m. so tell me here a यानी कम, a यानी 8 multiply by x वाहिद यानी कम, x वाहिद यानी हादा वाहिद हादा x यानी वाहिद प्लस c यानी कम, c यानी 11. yes, very good. very good. But then mod m यानी हादा अशरा. so 8 ones are 8 and 11 यानी hada 19. mod Ashra. So how the answer come? Tell me. 19 mod Ashra यानी हिना सिफर सिफर यानी आखिरी डिजिट यानी नहीं बादेन R2 यानी R वाहिद डिवाइड बाई M R वाहिद कम ओ सॉरी X वाहिद X इतने R2 यानी X इतने बाई M X इतने यानी 9 डिवाइड बाई अशरा यानी कम 0.9 अक्तूब हिना 9 हिना 0.9 okay so anyone girl open mic explain Arabic okay start from hina start from here. Anyone girl who open the mic and explain from here me but wait okay no problem number 3 here x talata yani how uktub a x hina talata yani hina uktub kam itnain wala wahid hina uktub itnain yes plus c mod m and a value मौजूद in question a यानी 8 multiply by x इतनेन यानी कदीम वैल्यू x इतनेन यानी 9 प्लस c यानी मौजूद इन क्वेश्चन यानी 11 ओके बादेन mod m यानी अशरा सो 8 into 9 यानी 80 70 72 and 11 यानी 70 83 mod अशरा यानी कम आंसर यानी 3 and hina r talata yani x talata divided by m x talata kam x talata yani 3 divided by ashra yani 0.3 uktub hina 3 0.3 delete this yani you can calculate for arba also but all girls understand this or no any problem you can ask me okay so anyone girl open mic and explain. Yes. Explain. Anyone? Open mic. Okay. Yes, girls. Anyone who want to explain? No one? Anyone who want to explain? Anyone who want to explain? No one? Where is she? What is her name? What is her name? Tell me this English name. Uh, actually. Actually, I don't know what is written in Arabic. I just copy paste. Tell me what is written in Arabic. I have sent one message. I think she is online now. Ah, yes. Open mic and explain, huh? Yes. I written the name. You open the mic and explain. Okay. Yeah, banat. Girl. Girls. Anyone want to explain? She can open mic. If no, I will start another. Okay, no problem. So this is the question. Another type of question. Hi. Yes, now start.
Okay, I will start for the number 4.
Yes, you can start speaking Arabic. Just explain whatever you understand to the students. Okay.
اوكي بنات تسمعوني؟ طيب الحين هو وقف عندنا عند رقم 3. طيب كيف تطلعين الاكس حق الثلاثة اللي هو ستيب 3 قصدي 4؟ طيب في البداية عندنا قانون اللي هو A x زائد C. تمام. عندك الموديل اللي هو 10. معطيش المعطيات فوق ان الاكس قيمتها طبعا من البداية هو عوض لش بالزيرو، وعندك الاي رقم 8 والسي رقم 11 والام 10. طيب كيف تطلعين عندي الستيب رقم 4؟ في البداية تقومي تكتبين A في الإكس. طيب وهو الإكس رقم 4. طيب 4 ناقص 1 كم؟ 3. بعدها زائد سي مود الام. طيب لما احنا نقصنا من الإكس صارت عندي 3. هو معوض لك بالقيمة رقم 3. كم الإكس رقم 3؟ معطيك إياها 3. حلو. طيب فراح تعوضين إن قيمة الأي كم عندنا فوق؟ كم قيمتها؟ 8. بعدها تضربين حلو في الاكس. احنا خلاص نقصنا منها 1 فقلنا 4 ناقص 1 اكس عطتنا قيمة 3، وقيمة الاكس 3 هو 3 فقلنا 8 ضرب 3 زائد السي كم قيمتها؟ 11. بعدها راح يطلع لك الناتج. حلو. طيب الناتج هذا انت شوفي كم مكون من خانة. طيب إذا كان عندك مود 10 اخذي أول خانة. لو كان مثلا الناتج 72 حلو تاخذين أول خانة اللي هو 2. طيب كيف تطلعين الآر؟ تاخذين الناتج وتقسمينه على الام بس.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Miss. What is the name? What is your name?
حوراء. حوراء.
Oh, write your idea in the message.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Okay. Close the mic. Okay, all girls. This is the linear congruential method, and it is very important method. The same question is available in final exam for 5 marks. Okay, so this is big question, and you have to practice this. Okay. 1, 3, 6, 5, 3, 20. Okay, now see, I will take another example. This is the question. X0 27, this value, this value, this value. Okay, so step number 1, what you will do? You will write 0. So for 0, x0 or 0, x0 value मौजूद कम 27, r0 यानी x0 by m यानी कम 27 divided by m यानी कम 100 यानी 0.27. This finish. Now number 1. So for number 1 यानी x1 and r1. x1 यानी अव्वल उक्त फॉर्मूला a मल्टीप्लाई बाय x सिफर प्लस c बादेन mod m. So a value shufina, a value 17 multiply by x0 yani hada gadim. Okay, 17 multiply by oh sorry hina 27 plus c मौजूद इन क्वेश्चन c यानी कम 43 बादेन mod m m यानी 100. Okay, so this kullu total is 502 mod 100. So 100 यानी इतने डिजिट यानी आखिर इतने is 02. Yes. And बादेन कैलकुलेट r वाहिद यानी x वाहिद डिवाइड बाय m, x वाहिद यानी 02 डिवाइडेड बाय m यानी 100. So कम 0.02. Okay, this is the answer. Here, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, so this one finish. Now we will go for the 2. Okay, 2 यानी उक्तुब x2 and r2. x2 यानी अव्वल उक्त फॉर्मूला a multiply by x हिना 1 because हिना 2 नगीस वाहिद यानी 1 plus c mod m. So tell me here a is यानी 17 multiply by कम x1 यानी कम आधा x1. So 02 plus c यानी कम c यानी मौजूद 43 बादेन mod 100. So it is कुल्लू कम, it is कम 77 mod 100. So 77 mod 100 यानी शुफिना हदा इतने डिजिट यानी आखिर इतने यानी कम आंसर 77. बादेन कैलकुलेट r इतने यानी x इतने डिवाइडेड बाय m, x इतने कम 77 डिवाइड बाय 100 कम 0.77. Understand or no? Like this you will calculate talata arba. Okay students, any problem, anything you can